What's up guys? Today I'm gonna make a really simple, quick Korean barbecue steak marinade recipe. So let's do this.
Here's a couple steaks I have. I'm using a filet mignon today. Let's start by cutting an onion. I'm just gonna quarter them because we're gonna put this in the food processor. Turn on your food processor and puree the crap out of your onions. And here's what it should look like. Baby food. But of course, don't feed your baby this stuff. Friggin' onions. Mince some garlic. Mince some ginger. Add 2 tablespoons of the onion puree. Add 2 tablespoons worth of minced garlic. 1 tablespoon's worth of minced ginger. 1/4 cup's worth of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon of mirin. And last but of course not least, 1 tablespoon worth of sesame oil. Mix all of that together and then add your meat. The aromatics of this marinade are really nice. The combo of ginger, garlic, soy, and sesame just blend very well together. It's a winner. For full flavor, marinate overnight, but if you can't wait, no problem. Just make sure to add a healthy amount of extra marinade at the tail end of cooking your meat. And that's all you have to do to make this badass tasting Korean barbecue style steak marinade. If you enjoyed this video and recipe, please support by simply hitting that like and subscribe button. Thanks all.